Hello, dreamers! I am very excited to share my latest time-lapse painting with you, the gorgeous Castle Eltz from Germany. Ever since I dove into my medieval collection last year, I had this dream of creating a stunning castle piece. My first one was the Eilean Castle in Scotland. You might have seen it on my painting named Storm. But it ended up focusing not on the castle, but it turned into a storm, painting about storm. So this time I'm really aiming to highlight the castle itself because I still have this castle painting that I need to get out of my system. Over the last year, I developed this fun habit of painting places that I never visited in effort to spread some positive vibe into the universe. This castle in my painting, the Burg Eltz in Germany, is one of those magical places that I yet need to visit. I took this piece to the Renaissance Fair on the Whidbey Island during Memorial Day weekend, and it was received very well. If you're enjoying the painting so far, I would love your support. Just smack that like button. This piece is pretty big. It's 16 by 20 inches on Archie's cold press watercolor paper. Painting on Archie's is such a luxury. The surface has a subtle texture, but it's still creamy and firm. It makes the experience feel like a love affair between the fiber of the paper and the pigment. Over the past few months, I have learned so much about the paper's ability to present color. So Archie does such a wonder in maximize the vibrancy of the watercolor paint that I use. And it also do really well when the paint needs to be lifted with a scrubber or a sponge. So I receive a lot of comments about dramatic lighting source in my work, and that's something I really pay attention to. Because every time I have a new painting, doesn't matter the subject matter, I always think, how can I add a dramatic lighting to this composition? So I think that is becoming a fixture in my painting style. If any of you have visited the Burg Eltz in Germany or you're from there, please leave in the comments below what you think of this rendering of the famous castle. If you're interested in making this painting yours, the original piece and the giclée prints are available for sale on my online store at dreaminwatercolor.com. Don't forget to sign up for my email list to get exclusive coupons and deals in the future. And if you're local in the Washington area, I always give out a secret code for free print if you show up at one of my vendoring events. Thank you for watching my painting process so far. I hope you enjoyed the magnificent castle and its fantasy vibe. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for updates on newer creations. Keep dreaming and dream of dragons. See you in the next video. Have a good day.